G'day everyone, welcome to the next hobby bench. My name is Nick and in this video today we're going to be painting the Kharadron Arkanauts. Sorry if I said that incorrectly. We've got 10 of them to paint, so yeah, let's get into it. First thing we're going to put on is the Xandri dust. This one just goes all over the base. I won't show you this whole lot. I'll just quickly paint this one and then I'll do the rest off camera. Alrighty, that's him done, and now I'll do all the rest. See you all in a little bit. That took a lot longer than what I thought it was. Let these dry and yeah, go from there. The next one we're going to put on is the lead belcher, and this one's just going on the gunmetal part. That took me an hour and 2 minutes and 23 seconds. The next one we're going to put on is the Valsar Gold, and this just goes on parts here, on here, down in there, and on his face, and pretty much the same on all of them. That took me 55 minutes to do it. 55 minutes. The next one we're going to put on is Screamer Pink, and this one just goes all over the body. Not sure how long that took. I know it didn't take as long as what the rest of it did. The next one we're going to put on is the Styrofoam Sibling Blim. And this one just goes all over the parts here, all the Xantry dust parts. Let that dry and go from there. The next one we're going to put on is the Arkanaut Nightshade, and this one just goes all over the gunmetal parts, or the silver parts. Give that time to dry now and move on to the next one. The next one we're going to put on is the Lonely, and this one just goes all over the Screamer Pink part. Alrighty. Them all finished. The next one we're going to put on is the Ray Clamp Shade, and this one just goes all over the Balthasar Gold. For the base we're going to put on Armageddon Dust. Get this done and be on to the next thing. Just thought I'd show you all this one. It's way easier to put it on in that little spoon thing. An old paintbrush. Alrighty. Now we'll let them all dry. Sorry, I thought I recorded everything showing bases, but I didn't, so here's what they look like now. Still need a lot of practice when it comes to painting minis. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!